Tesla's humanoid robot Optimus just took a big leap forward, and the company is showing it off in style. In a newly released demonstration on social media platform X, the Tesla Optimus robot was seen doing a series of real-world tasks that highlight how far the technology has come. From simple household chores to handling car parts, Optimus was fully engaged. It threw trash into a bin, swept the floor with a broom, vacuumed, tore a paper towel, stirred food in a pot, opened a cabinet, and even closed a curtain. One standout moment was when it picked up a Model X suspension for Link and carefully placed it onto a dolly. What makes this display even more remarkable is that all of these tasks were performed using a single neural network. Tesla engineers trained the robot using first-person human video footage, allowing it to learn by observing. This approach dramatically reduces the need for teleoperation and helps the robot pick up new tasks faster and more naturally. Tesla Vice President of Optimus, Milan Kovac, shared more details online. He explained that the company is moving toward training Optimus with internet videos, not just ones recorded from a first-person point of view, but also third-person content found online. The next step is to improve reliability using reinforcement learning in both real-world and simulated environments. The future of AI-driven robotics is unfolding right in front of us, and Tesla is pushing boundaries once again. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest in robotics and artificial intelligence.